Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble Go. First, download the Scrabble Go app from your device's app store. Once installed, you will need to create an account or log in using an existing one. After logging in, you can select from various game modes, such as the traditional classic game, fast-paced duels, or the engaging word drop. Each mode offers a unique way to enjoy wordplay and challenge your vocabulary. The Scrabble Go board is a 15 by 15 grid, where you'll place your words. Each letter tile carries a specific point value, ranging from 1 point for common letters to 10 points for rarer ones like Q and Z. Strategically, you'll want to aim for special squares such as double letter score, triple letter score, double word score, and triple word score to significantly increase your overall score. To form words, place your tiles either horizontally or vertically on the board. Every new word you create must connect to at least one existing word already played. Remember, using all 7 of your available tiles in a single turn, known as a bingo, earns you a substantial 50-point bonus. This strategic move can dramatically boost your score and give you a significant advantage over your opponent. For advanced play, always look for opportunities to create multiple words in a single turn, maximizing your score. It's often wise to save your high-value tiles, like Q, Z, J, and X, for when you can land them on bonus squares or achieve a 50-point bingo. Don't hesitate to use the in-game dictionary to confirm word validity and expand your vocabulary, ensuring every move counts towards victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.